BUZUD Point-of-Care Health Check Program. Sign up for the health check. Before the test, please select the participant's name on the phone connected to the device via Bluetooth. Disinfect and prick the finger. Wipe away the first drop of blood with a dry tissue. Squeeze the capillary blood. Use siphon pipette to collect blood till the mark and drop onto the test strip. Squeeze out more blood and draw the amount shown in the video. Drop the blood into the solution and mix well. Draw a tube of mixed liquid with the pipette and transfer it to the cassette. Insert the cassette and tap on test button on the machine. The HbA1c test result will be shown on the screen within 10 seconds. Lipid results, including total cholesterol, HDL, LDL, triglycerides will be available within 2 minutes. BUZUD Health Monitor Checkme Lite will give you a quick insight of ECG, heart rate, pulse and oxygen level. Blood pressure test. Print health check summary report. Participant can also view their report on the BUZUD app. BUZUD Reimagine Healthcare.